Next, same model questions. Multiplying one binomial by another binomial. How? First of all, you have to take first term of the first binomial. What is that? KL into second binomial. Okay, first term of the first binomial into second binomial. Next, you take second term. What is that? Plus LM into second binomial, that is k minus l. Okay, so first term of the first binomial into second binomial, and you take second term of the first binomial into second binomial. Okay, now you have to multiply them. K into k square l. Positive quantity into negative quantity, k into l into l square. Next, okay, positive quantity into positive quantity, L, M and K. And last and final, positive quantity into negative quantity. So plus of minus. Don't say plus into minus. That is wrong. Okay. So positive quantity into negative quantity. Okay. L into L square M. Okay. Now we have to identify any like terms are there. KL is there, but their exponents are different. 2, 1, 1, 2. Are they like terms? No. So we don't have any like terms from this expression. So leave it. Okay. Our process will be completed already. So you leave that. This is the product of two binomials. How to multiply these two binomials? First of all, you have to take first term of the first binomial, that is m square, into second binomial, that is m plus n. Now you have to take second term of the first binomial, that is minus n square, into second binomial, that is m plus n. Okay, so that means m square into m plus n minus n square into m plus n. Okay, now find out their product. Next you add them. So m square into m cube, plus m square into m square n. Next one, negative quantity into positive quantity, negative quantity. M into n square, mn square. Negative quantity into positive quantity, negative quantity. N square into n cube. That means n is multiplied by 2 times and 1 time, totally 3 times. Okay. Okay, now we have to identify any like terms are there or not. Okay. So m cube, no m cube term is there. M square n, no m square term is there. So both are having same variables, but exponents are different. 2, 1 and 1, 2. So they are not a like terms. Okay, all are unlike terms. Leave it. So this is the product of two binomials. Okay, find the product of this is binomial and this is trinomial. Okay, this second expression contains 3 terms, so that is trinomial. That means binomial into trinomial. You apply same process. Okay, what is that? You take first term of the first binomial. What is that? X into trinomial. 2x minus 5y plus 3xy. Same process. Okay, as well as you take second term of the first binomial, that is plus y, into you multiplying with the second trinomial. Okay, so what is that? X into trinomial plus y into trinomial. Okay, now you have to find out the product and add them. So x into 2x square. Positive quantity into negative quantity, 5 x into y, xy. Okay, positive quantity into positive quantity, 3 x into x square y, 3x square y. Next one, plus y into 2x plus 2xy positive quantity into negative quantity, 5y into y, 5y square. Okay, next one, positive quantity into positive quantity, y into 3xy, 3xy square. Now we have to identify the like terms from this expression. Okay, any x square term is there? No, you write it as usual. Any xy term is there? Yes, this is minus 5xy plus 2xy. Both are like terms. So now we add their like terms. What are the common variables? Xy, and common exponents also 1 1. Okay, now you add their coefficients. Minus 5 plus 2, totally minus 3xy. Next one, x square y terms. No, write it as usual. Okay, minus 5y square. No like terms. And xy square terms. No. Okay, you write it as usual. Okay, so this is the product of binomial with one of the trinomial. This is the result. Okay, next sum, pq plus q cube into this trinomial. That means binomial into trinomial. How? You take first term of the first binomial, pq, into second trinomial, p minus 5q plus 6r. Next one, you take second term of the first binomial, that is plus q cube, into trinomial, p minus 5q plus 6r. Okay, now as usual you continue the process. That means product of these two, p cube into p power 4, minus positive quantity into negative quantity, 5 p cube into q, p cube. Next one, positive quantity into positive quantity, 6 p cube into r, p cube r. Next one, next product, plus of plus p into q cube, p cube. That means you write orderly, p, q, r, like that. Next one, positive quantity into negative quantity. Okay, 5 ones are 5. Okay, bracket always indicates the multiplication. So positive quantity into negative quantity. Just like plus of minus. Okay, so q cube into q, 3 times and 1 time, totally 4 times. Positive quantity into positive quantity, 6 q cube r. Okay, now p power 4. Okay, next minus 5 q power 4. Okay, p cube. Any like term is there? No, pq is there, but 3 1 1 3, their exponents are different, they are unlike terms. So minus 5 p cube. Next one, p cube r, no like terms, write it as usual. p cube, no like terms. q power 4 already written, remaining plus 6 q cube r. Okay, no like terms are there or are unlike terms. This is the resulting product.